Good morning, children. Today we'll start our new work in our Artist Squash Color Shower book. For today's work, you have to take a Artist Squash Color Shower book. With that, you have to take crayons and pencil. You have to take all these things and open page number 9. And first main thing, you have to write down today's date here. Children, must and should you have to write down the date first, then you have to start to do the color. Here what they given that friendly dolphin. They given here one dolphin and they are telling that the dolphin is too intelligent. Okay, and they are telling that you have to see the dolphin and you have to do the color for that and make the dolphin beautifully. Okay, children, now today we are using the crayons to do the color. Here children, they given the dolphin as well as they given the water. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to take a light blue color. Children, here they given us somewhat the gray color and the light blue color. It was double color mixed here, but here I will give you two options. Okay, one what you can do the with the light blue color, either you can do with the gray color or you can do with the pencil. Here three options will be there. In place of gray you can use the pencil. See children, here light blue color, gray color. If you don't have gray color means you have to take a pencil. See here, this two part here and this one you have to do with the light blue. Okay, this two part you have to do with the light blue color. Then here also, whatever the water drops they given, no, that full you have to do with the light blue. Okay children, then once you complete the light blue, what you have to do, you have to take a gray color and do color for the dolphin. If you don't have gray color, you can use the pencil. See children, this regular pencil, whatever the regular pencil you have now, that one also you can use for the dolphin. Okay, then once you complete this full, now we will move to near the water. To do the water, what you have to do, first you have to draw the sleeping line here. Draw the sleeping line here. Then after drawing the sleeping line, what you have to do, you have to take a dark blue color. You have to take a dark blue color. Then you should start to do color for the water. You should take a dark blue. Deep blue means dark blue. You should take a dark blue color and start to do color for the water. And here in some place I will give you to do light blue color. Here I will write, wherever I will write now, only that part you have to do with the light blue. See children, only this part. This whatever the curve will be there now here, this one you have to do with the light blue. Remaining full you should do with the dark blue. Okay children, after once you complete this one, what you have to do, you should go to the page number 10. Then must and should, the first main thing all of you know, every time I am saying that you have to write down the date here. You have to write down today's date. Then what they given here, they given one beautiful flower and they are telling that you have to do color for that. Then you have to make the flower beautifully. Okay, here what are the color they given? The same color we are doing in our book. Now first what you have to do, you have to take a light blue color crayon. You have to take a light blue color crayon. Whatever the cloud they given now, this cloud you should do with the light blue. Okay, this cloud you should do with the light blue color. After once you complete the light blue color, what you have to do, you have to take a red color. You have to take a red color and color for the center part of the flower. Because they given the yellow color for the flower, sometime always we are using the middle part, whatever the middle part will be there, no, for that we are using always orange, either yellow color. But here what they given the flower only yellow color, for that reason we are using a red color. Okay, after once you complete that, now what you have to do, you have to take a light green and a dark green color. You have to take a light green and the dark green color. See children, here where you have to do the light green, I will tell you that whatever the background is there, now this bush, here you should do with the light green. After once you complete this background, see this full background you should do with the light green. Must and should see properly children, whatever the background they given, that full you should do with the light green. Then in the front they given the small leaves and the bushes, that one you have to do with the dark green. This one. See properly, children. Whatever color I given, the same thing you have to do. This one you should do with the dark green. And in the flower, they given the leaf and the stem. No, that also you should do with the dark green. Okay, children. See here you have to use two green color, one light and a dark green. And if you have any doubt means once you have to check out the picture here. Once you have to check out the picture here where you have to do the light green and where you have to do the dark green, they given here. The same thing you should follow in your book. After once you complete that, what you have to do, you have to take a pencil and draw a sleeping line here. Draw a sleeping line here. Okay, after drawing the sleeping line, what you have to do, you have to take a yellow and green color. You have to take a yellow and green color for this down part. Yellow plus green. Children, here I given the plus. Plus means you have to add both the color. If I given the slanting line means you have to either you have to choose any one color. But here I given the plus, you have to do both the color here. Okay, yellow and light green color. After once you complete, now what you have to do, you have to take a brown color and color for the stone. Brown color for the stone. Then you have to take a yellow color and color for the full flower. Okay, children. Here, what are the color we are using here? We are using here light blue, red, yellow, light green, dark green, and a brown color. All these colors you have to take and you have to do the same color. Now I will show how you should mix the yellow and green color. Just you have to observe that. Children, the background we should use the light green color. I said no. Same like that. You should start to do the light green. How you should do? You should do neatly like this. I am doing here slanting way. Okay. Like this neatly you should do. Okay, don't leave any white patches and don't do the color out of the line. See here, don't do like this out. This is a wrong, and don't do like this scribbling work. Okay, this both will be the wrong method. After once you complete the background with the light green, you have to take a dark green color, and whatever the leaf will be there, no, that one you should do with the dark green. Like this only, uniformly you have to do the color. Then only your work will looks nice. Okay, children, once you complete this both, what you have to do, here I said no, yellow and light green color you have to use. How you should do? See children, I am doing light yellow color with the sleeping way. If you want to, you can use the slanting way, either straight way, but any one way you should do. See here how I am doing. It is a big space. For that reason I am doing a small shading work like this. Small part I will complete, then I will move to the next part. Like this only, neatly you have to do, children. Once you complete this, what you have to do, you have to take a light green color. Then you can start to do the light green upon the yellow color. This also you should do with the sleeping wave only. Lightly you should do. Then both the color will mix together. Okay children, like this neatly you should do. Okay, this is the way to mix the color. And one more thing children, while doing the work, if you have any doubt, you can call me at any time and you can clarify your doubt and see the full video. Then you can start to do the work children. Without seeing the video, don't see the picture and don't do the work, because sometime I will change the color. If you want, if you will see the whatever color they given in the book, if you'll see the same color and if you do means it will be wrong. Okay children, and parents, please help your child to complete the work. Thank you.